In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design social media templates in Figma. We'll start by tapping into Figma Community, which is a huge library of resources made by designers. Open Figma Community and use the search bar to look for terms like social media templates or social media kit. This helps you quickly find ready-made layouts for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Click on a template that catches your eye to open its preview. Take a moment to scan the structure, including the layers and components. This quick look tells you how flexible the file is and what you'll be able to customize later. When you are ready, click the Open in Figma button on the Resources page. Figma will automatically duplicate the file into your drafts. That's your own working copy, and it keeps the original creator's version intact. Once it's in your drafts, you have full edit access, exactly as if you built the file yourself. So nothing is locked down. Now let's make it yours. Start by updating the global color styles and text styles to match your brand identity. You'll find these styles in the right-hand panel. When you edit a style, Figma pushes those changes across every template that uses it. This is the fastest way to get consistent brand colors and typography throughout your posts without manually changing each frame. Next, swap in your own imagery. Double-click any image placeholder to select it. Many templates use masks, which shape your images into neat crops. You can drag and drop your photos right onto those masked areas. If the crop needs a tweak, use the Adjust or Crop controls to reposition the image so it feels balanced and on brand. If the file uses components, you'll see a main component marked with 4 filled diamonds. Edit that main component to update repeating elements like your logo, handles, or footers. Every instance of that component across the file will update automatically, so you only have to make the change once. This is a huge time saver when you are building a full set of posts. When your designs look polished, it's time to export. Click the name of the frame you want to export, such as Instagram post, to select it. In the right-hand panel, open the Export section, choose PNG or JPG depending on your needs. PNG is great for crisp graphics and text, while JPG can help keep file sizes smaller, and set the scale to 2°F or high-resolution social media displays. Export your frames and you are ready to post. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching.